Hi everyone, I am Caesar from HashInfo with Garage team. In this video, we're going to see how a project is developed and grown as a worldwide company. We can't live without our brain, that way our brain can't live without Google and its product. This is story behind Google. Google is founded and developed by two American software engineers, Mr. Larry Page, co-founder of Google, Alphabet and PageRank, Mr. Sergey Brin, co-founder of Google, president of Alphabet, Mr. Sundar Pichai, current CEO of Google and Alphabet. Headquarters is in Mountain View, California, United States. Annual turnover is 160.74 billion according to 2019. Employees are above 1,14,096 according to 2019. Parental company is Alphabet Inc. with 1,18,899 employees. Offices and countries are more than 70 offices in 50 countries. History of Google. Google started its career from 4th September 1998 at Menlo Park, California, United States in a garage of Larry's friend. Google is founded by two American software engineers and internet entrepreneurs, Mr. Larry Edward Page and Mr. Sergey Nikolaevich Brin. Both are the co-founders of Google and its parental company, Alphabet Inc. Larry Page. Larry Page was born on 26th March 1973 in Lansing, Michigan. His father, Mr. Carl Victor Page, an American computer science professor. His mother, Miss Gloria Page, a programmer. Larry's house is fully filled with computers and computer-related items. Because of that, Larry had more interest in computers. Larry done his school in Michigan and done his bachelor degree in University of Michigan as a computer science engineer. Later, Larry done his master degree and PhD at Stanford University in the year of 1995. In Stanford University, Larry met Brin, who is the co-founder of Google and Alphabet Inc. Sergey Brin. Sergey Brin was born on 21st August 1973 in Moscow, Russia. His father, Mr. Mikhail Brin, a Russian mathematics professor. His mother, Ms. Eugenia Brin, a retired research scientist of NASA. Brin done his bachelor degree in University of Maryland as computer science engineer. After completion of bachelor degree, Brin shifted to America for done his master degree and PhD at Stanford University in the year of 1995. Brin is now the president of Google and Alphabet. In Stanford University, Larry got a project with the title The Anatomy of a Large-Scale Hypertextual Web Search Engine. At that time, many search engines are in use and they are not performing well and won't fulfill people's expectation. Because of that, Larry planned to develop a search engine which want to fulfill people's expectation. So Larry found a concept of PageRank. PageRank is the concept of arranging websites and web pages under the ranking and number of views. This concept arranges more viewed pages first and less viewed at the rest. In this, based on views, ranking is given to each website. Larry planned the concept, but he didn't know how to develop the PageRank. In this time, Brin gave his full support to Larry for developing PageRank. Brin developed an algorithm for PageRank, which calculates the ranking of websites and arrange those sites based on ranking. After completion of project, Larry and Brin developed perfect search engine. Larry and Brin developed the search engine with two major features which is not presented in other search engines. 1. Search according to keyword filled by user. 2. 1000 plus pages for a single search. After development of search engine, Larry and Brin ready to register their research. They named their project as Google, means zeros after one, because their search engine provides that much of pages for a single search. But unfortunately, Google is registered by someone. By the mistake, Larry and Brin's project is registered as Google. But Larry liked the name Google, and nowadays meaning of Google is search for information about. After the successful completion of Google, the companies like Yahoo have interest in buying Google. But Larry and Brin decided price at $1 billion. Because of this large amount, Yahoo dropped their ideas on buying Google. But later, Yahoo understood its fault and again they decided to buy Google. And this time, Larry and Brin decided the price at $5 billion. Again, same to the previous, Yahoo dropped their idea on buying Google. Later, Larry and Brin understand the power of Google and they plan to start a company. They started their company from their hostel. Later, they shifted their company and started it officially in garage of Larry's friend Miss Susan Wojcicki for rent, which is situated in Menlo Park, California, United States. Susan Wojcicki was the first marketing manager of Google and now she is CEO of YouTube. They started their company with total of 6 employees with a contribution of $100,000 from Andy, co-founder of Sun Microsystem. Later, Larry and Brin thought that Google is running without any profit, so they thought that by the advertisements only they can earn money. Because of that, Larry and Brin founded new product of Google, which is named as Google AdSense, founded in the year of 2003. The growth of Google around people made many advertisers to show their interest in Google AdSense for developing their business. Day to day, Google's growth reached top of the mountain. The growth of Google is reached people by telling A for Apple, B for ball and G for Google. But Larry thinks that this is not enough because he need that Google want to occupy every 26 alphabet letters. Because of that, Google created their own new products or by the inventions of others. Some of the products of Google are as follows. Products of Google: A for Android, AdSense, Analytics, AdMobs. B for Blogger, Books. C for Chrome, Contacts. D for Design, Docs, DoubleClick, Drive, Duo. E for Earth, Express. F for Fiverr, Finance, Firebase, Flight, Forms. G for Gmail, Groups. H for Hangouts. I for Images, Inbox. J for Jump, Jambox. K for Keep. L for Local Guide. M for My Business, Music, Maps. N for Nexus, News. O for Offers. P for Photos, Pay, Plus, Play. Q for Nexus Q. R for Recapture. S for Sheets, Scholar. T for Translate. U for URL Shortener. V for Winters, Voice, Videos. W for Wallet, Wear OS. X for Xlabs. Y for YouTube. Z for Zagat. You can download above images from the link given in the description. First CEO of Google is Mr. Larry Page and Mr. Sergey Brin is the president of Google. At the year of 2014, Mr. Sundar Pichai is appointed as a CEO of Google and later he is also appointed as CEO of Alphabet Inc. Sundar Pichai was born on 10th June 1972 in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. Sundar done his education in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, India. In the year of 2004, Sundar joined in Google as a help lead the development of Google Toolbar and Chrome. But the interest of Sundar on Google impressed Larry and Brin. Later, Larry and Brin think to develop a parent company of Google. So they decided to give their company in one's hand who want to take care of Google and develop it more. That time Sundar is the best choice for Larry to develop his company. By the way, at the year of 2014, Sundar became a second CEO of Google. Larry and Brin selected Sundar as CEO because Sundar has the quality to maintain company and selecting staffs as same as Larry and Brin. Larry always say one thing to his employee that people want to use Google for 2 times a day like a toothbrush and toothpaste. At the same time, Google gave many benefits to its employees. Some of the benefits are good salary, food at company, playing areas, rest area, offer for purchasing, vacations, and etc. Later, in the year of 2015, October 2nd, Larry and Brin started their new company named as Alphabet Inc. Under the Alphabet Inc., Google's A to Z products are working. In Alphabet, 1,18,899 plus employees are working. Interesting thing in Google changed their algorithm frequently to secure them from hackers. Google is user friendly and its services are free. When hearing history about Google, don't forget one thing that Google is always watching us. We discussed this in Online Monster series. Some of the products of Google are very much useful in our life. We see it in Education on Self series about the following things: Google Chrome, Google Forms, Google Maps, Google Sheets, Google Translate, Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Drive, Gmail, Analytics, Photos, AdSense, Contacts, Account Management, Blogger, YouTube. The success story of Google shows us one thing that every big thing is started from a small thing. Thank you viewers for your patience to listening us, and for more interesting videos please follow us and place your recommendation as a comment below. And this is signing off Sisa from Info with Garage team. Thank you.